Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the first chapter, The Fun They Had, from your Beehive book. This story, The Fun They Had, takes us to the world of future schools, where computer will play a major role in learning as well as teaching. According to this, there would be no printed books, no human teachers, and no such schools where we go to study now. In future, there would be only robotic teachers. The classroom and school rooms would be in the house of each student. Instead of printed books, there would be moving e-text books. So in this story, there are two main characters, Margie and Tommy. Margie is just 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Margie wrote her diary, and in her diary she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." In fact, Tommy found an old book in the attic. It was very old book and it was printed. Margie's grandfather had once told her that when he was a little boy, his grandfather had told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on papers. Now Margie was very curious to know about the books. Then Tommy told her that the book was about a school. Then Margie said, "What's there to write about a school?" Margie had always hated school, but now she hated it even more because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. And you know, these two children are the student of the future time. Okay? When they have mechanical teachers and their classrooms are just beside their bedrooms. Okay? And her geography teacher was giving her test after test, and she was doing worse and worse. So her mother was very much worried. She called the county inspector. County inspector came and set it right. And Tommy told her about the old schools, that in old schools there were no mechanical teachers. There were special buildings where all the students went to study. They would sit in the same classroom and teacher taught them same thing. In this way, all the students were able to help one another also. While they were discussing about the book and the schools of the past, then Margie's mother called her to go to school because her school time was on and her mechanical teacher was waiting for her. Margie's mechanical teacher immediately instructed her to put her homework in the slot. And Margie put her previous day's homework in the slot, and it also said that day's arithmetic lesson was on the addition of proper fraction. Hearing this, Margie inserted her homework with a sigh. So, while watching the screen of her mechanical teacher, Margie started to think about the old kinds of schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. She imagined that at that time all the children would have been laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They would have been sitting together in the classroom. They would have been going home together at the end of the day. So they could help each other also. Now, Margie was thinking impatiently. Margie was thinking how much fun the kids would have had in the old days. I hope you must have understood the lesson. Thank you.